How the day went in Hyderabad, with India scenting victory after the third day's play, taking a 266-run lead in the first innings. India have already picked up a couple of Australian wickets. Let's have a look at how the game stands. Australia 192 still needed just to make India bat again. India needing 8 wickets to get 2-0 ahead in the series, and that, Chika, is the more likely option unless there's some sort of Eden Gardens type miracle.
It's very, very unlikely, like the Eden Gardens miracle, because don't forget the wicket is bouncing, turning. You saw a ball for Ashwin, it just almost went like a bounce over Dhoni's head. So I doubt it very much. I mean, I think frankly, if I may be blunt and too honest or too blunt, I think the match will be over by tomorrow tea time, our latest end of day's play, but I think it will be 2-0 for India by tomorrow evening. Alright,
so Chika's already making the predictions. Can we talk about some of the other players who've made an impression in the game? Both players you know quite well. Can I start by talking to you about Murali Vijay? Here's a cricketer who's had an up and down career, and really his spot was on the line, but he's come up with a good innings.
See, I tell you what, I think one thing good about Murali Vijay, again, the guy is when he gets in, he gets a big score.
Yes.
You know, you saw the Irani Cup, he got a 266 and a 157. I think one thing he did very sensibly here was letting Pujara strike most, and that's where Pujara helped him too, in the sense that getting those quick runs and taking the lead. And then I mean, all Vijay had to do was just hang around there. And then once he knew that the initial, see, boss, let's understand one thing. Who is the most dangerous bowler? Pattinson. If you're through with Pattinson, the bowling is nothing great. I mean, Maxwell looks very ordinary, guy making a debut. And okay, when I say ordinary, I mean, I'm probably being a bit too rude on him. But in the sense that, okay, it's not nothing deadly like Ashwin or Harbhajan Singh.
Yes.
Doherty is not a great bowler. So I think that way, Vijay positioned himself very well and just got stuck there.
And Vijay's performance also complemented by another Tamil Nadu boy. It seems to be a good test match for your guys. Ashwin bowling very well again in the second innings as well. Those 2 wickets with good old-fashioned off-spin.
See, the one good thing about Ashwin is he's an attacking bowler. Be it 20-20 format or one-day format, he goes for wickets.
Yes.
He's a guy who keeps looking for wickets. So it's always dangerous. You don't know which ball of Ashwin is going to get you a wicket. And that's why he gets those wickets, because he's looking for wickets. It's like, you know, looking for runs. A batsman looking for runs, he'll always get runs. He is not a guy who's a defensive bowler. He is an attacking bowler. And what the greatest thing with him is, he's not trying anything new. He's bowling orthodox off spin.
And he's got a very good record. I've just got to quickly wrap up, but it's a big day tomorrow for Harbhajan Singh, because he doesn't take wickets and there is going to be a question mark over his spot.
Yeah, but then in all fairness, he has bowled well in the first innings, and he did bowl pretty decently in the second innings too. I'm sure he will get a few wickets, and I don't think we should really worry about it. Let him go bowl in a relaxed manner, do his job properly, the wickets will come to him automatically.
Alright, so we'll wait and watch, but looks like an Indian win is pretty much assured in Hyderabad. Thank you very much, Chika, for making the trip to Delhi and bringing us up to speed with this.